Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through some of the key differences and similarities between some of our Panasonic true wireless headphones. So I've got here the RZ-B310 model, and we're going to talk a little bit about how this differs from our RZ-B110 model. It's one of the questions that comes up a lot when customers are interested in buying true wireless headphones from us. They're a little unsure over which headphone is right for them and what really are the differences between the two. So the good news is, in terms of similarities, is that you're actually going to get really similar audio quality between the 310s and the 110s, almost identical in fact. So if the music and quality of music and the quality of that call coming in are what really matters to you, then both of these models are going to be absolutely perfect. In terms of the differences, one of the biggest differences between the two is that actually the RZ-B310s come with active noise cancelling and ambient sound modes. Okay, so if you're really interested in blocking all that sound out that's going on around you and you just want to focus on what you're doing and what's at hand, then these are the model for you. Okay, the 110s don't come with that active noise cancelling feature. The other big difference between the two is actually battery life. So because of that active noise cancelling feature, the 310s have a slightly shorter playback time out of the cradle than the 110. So out of the cradle, you're going to get around 5 hours of playback time with these headphones. And with the 110s, you're going to get around 6 hours. And actually talking about the wireless cradle as well, the charge time that the wireless cradle will have in the 310s is around 11 hours. But in the 110s, it's around 20 hours. So you are getting quite a bit more charge time in the wireless cradle of the RZ-B110s than the 310s. So it's something to bear in mind when you come to make that purchase. As I say, there's more details on our online store. You can compare these two products. We've got loads of headphones there, and you can find the right true wireless headphones for you. All the details are in the description below. Do check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.